So here we're going to give you a top tips video about the pioneering LRC 5-colour 5-minute mix. As you can see, we have done the brown base. It has created what I call more of a milky chocolate, which is quite common with making the brown base from the 5 colours. Those colours that we used is like black, red, yellow, white, blue. The 5 colours of the pioneering LRC 5-minute system. Obviously your red, yellow and blue are 3 primary colours, and then your black and white is your tint and tone. From there we made the base, and you can clearly see how we've created the base on the surface, and it's different to this. So now what we now need to do is to darken that, and that will be done with blue and black by creating a purple. So this is the lighter colour brown that we put on, the milkier chocolate, and now we need to make a much sort of like darker chocolate colour if we can, because this is actually a brown jacket rather than black, which is what a lot of people would make the mistake with. So what we need to do now, we need to create a darker tone to go in. So we're going to use the blue to add some darkness, and then what we're going to do is use the black to go into the blue. You can see the difference there, adding them two together, what this is going to create. So now we've got this very dark purpley colour that we've created, and if you look at this in comparison to here, I'll try to drop a little bit into this milk chocolate, and you'll probably be able to see the difference with dropping some into it, with what a difference it looks. You can see there the difference on that with what we've dropped in. So let's give it a real good stir up, and we've got the nice sort of purple shade that's just about right. So let's now add that into the brown mix, and that will then enable us to create a much darker tone. I'm not going to add it all in to begin with. I just want to add a small amount in to show you how that we are changing the tone of the colour. We obviously need to give it a real good stir, and then we're going to apply some to the jacket to show you how we've changed the colour, and that we possibly may or may not need to do more adjustment to that purple mix, or we might need to make a little bit more. So let's now apply some more to it, and we can show you exactly how much that has changed. I'm going to apply some just here, so that you can see the difference with what we had to what we've got now. And then I'm going to dry that, because I'm going to try to get that obviously to blend in to this colour here, the original, which is a little bit faded. So that's one coat that's gone on there. Let's just add a second coat of colour on. And we can show you and I'm going to go slightly over the original so that you can see the difference now with doing it this way. Let's just dry that once more. And you can clearly see the line across there between the milk and the dark chocolate. And you can now see this colour is blending in beautifully to the jacket. So as you can see where we've come up to, because this part of the jacket is completely faded. Obviously, you've got more fading over here as well, which is really bad. So this is why we're restoring the whole colour of the jacket, but we just wanted to show you this video about mixing browns and where you can go from a milk to a dark chocolate. And on this side, you can see there is virtually no transition from this sort of area here, where the line comes from, to the old colour. We are going to obviously be restoring the full jacket all the way over, but we just needed to show you that transition from faded to original and how that the colours match in, and then the milk chocolate. As you can see, it is drastically different, and there is that line, that magic line where we went to, and you can really clearly, definitively see that very, very clearly. We hope that video helped you. So we used the black and the blue to make a very dark violet, which then turned into this colour here from the milk chocolate originally. We hope you find this top tips video of help. If you need any help with colour mixing, LRC are here to help you with our 5 colour 5-minute system.